in the miniature, the house is going to get lifted up. We're going to cut inside. The dump's already going to be in process.
So in this instance, it had to twist and fall off its foundations, which caused the front to collapse and the back to go up slightly, which made the rationale for the wind getting under the structure and blowing it up on its front, really, and getting under all the tiles, so all the tiles flew off. To make that happen, you can't do that for real. A house is just too big to do that. So this is where you come to either CG or miniatures.
Here is a model of what the town of Gulfport is going to look like. We've lined the walls with their storyboards. I'm a big believer in storyboards. I'm not a believer in previs. Previs is slow, expensive, and no matter what you do, it's a cartoon. You have ideas in your head, you write them on the page, and then you try to visualize them, you try to conceptualize them to create the movie before we actually put it on film. And then when we go to put it on film, we're trying to top these conceptions.